Alright guys, welcome back to Niko Brothers. I'm Mike.
And I'm Ivan.
And today we're working on the Cobra. Yes, we're back at it. I mean, it's been a minute since we touched the thing, but hey, it's still there, we're just up in the air, but we're gonna do it. Let's do it, you know, why not? We have it, we usually finish our projects that we start. We need to finish it. It's hard to tell what it is right now, but let's go back, a little quick review, what we did to it before. So here it is, how we got it. It's burnt, we took it apart, our body's working on it. We got the Mustang motor ready to go. We just had to put it back together and then start tackling all the other issues. Drive shaft, the clutch, I mean all the wiring.
Let's do one thing at a time, Michael.
Yeah.
Let's get this, so we gotta get the flywheel. We finally ordered the right flywheel.
Yeah, that was I don't know why it was such a big deal, but yeah, that definitely took a while for us to do that. But let's get that together, transmission on the engine back into the car, start pre-wiring everything, make it nice and pretty.
Slow down. Let's just little by little. Let's get the transmission engine together and drop it inside and go from there.
Yeah, definitely. Let's do it.
Alright guys, so here's the new flywheel. We got the bolts for it and we got all the specifications. So we're gonna get this thing just back to factory specs. So let's get to work. Okay, so we got the clutch installed, we got the transmission installed, everything's back to specs, all torqued up. So now we're ready to lower the lift and get this engine inside. Okay, the motor's in, so now we're ready to start messing with the wiring, just to try and get it started. We're gonna try to put the wiring in a specific spot so it's not gonna rub anywhere and not gonna be that visible. And we gotta figure out where we're gonna put the computer, the fuse box, and all the little stuff. So there's a lot of little stuff we gotta do, so let's get to it. Okay, so here we have it. We got the engine in. We got the wire harness in. We plugged it up like how we had it on the ground when we had it started the first time. So let's see if it spins over. We actually had to remove the oil filter because it was right here. It's gonna hit the frame rail. So we're gonna have to order a aftermarket, I don't know, relocated oil filter. We're gonna have to do that. It's gonna hit it. There's no clearance, so we got rid of that. So we can't start it, but we can at least spin it over and you know, check it out. So we got our, you know, our temporary cluster right here. We got our gauge cluster, another fuse box. We got some noises, so we got, you know, gauges lit up. Then we got to push the clutch in, which is this one. So,
all right.
It's spinning over, so that's a really good sign. Unfortunately, it's getting pretty late, so.
All right, guys, so we're gonna go back to the giveaways. We did that in the beginning of our channel, but now we're gonna do it again, because honestly, it's nice to give you stuff, and we like making stuff for you guys, and all you have to do is leave a comment below in the video. Honestly, comment about anything, just let us know if you like the Cobra build, if you do something else, if you want something, just comment something, and you enter the chance to win. Basically, a custom-made sign. We'll do a t-shirt, we got a Lanyard.
Well, you guys subscribe too, Michael.
Make sure you're subscribed, yeah, definitely. If you guys are watching and follow along, make sure you're subscribed and tell your buddies about it. But like I said, leave a comment below and we'll give you something for free. You get a sign, a t-shirt, and a Lanyard, so that'd be great. So we got a lot of work done. We finally got the engine transmission together, that clutch installed. Honestly, that was kind of a roadblock for a little bit, but hey, that's awesome, that's taken care of. We got it in there, we got the engine to spin over, because it's been a little bit, it's been a minute. So that's awesome to know that the wiring still works, that we have, you know. So now we could really move forward. We definitely still have a lot of things to knock out, but hey, we want to finish this thing and get this Cobra off the lift and on the road. Eventually, it's coming. But make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and we'll get this build finished. Until next time.